am Sandeep Verma. So I am a professional golfer. I'm a two-time Olympian now. See, the ideal way to play golf is walking on the golf course, right? If you cannot have that and still you are wanting to play the sport, then the next best thing is golf simulation, right? If you cannot have access to a golf course, you cannot go to the golf course, just play golf on a simulator. If you feel like playing, you just plug and play and your golf course is ready. You can play any golf course on the planet, which is on the golf software. You can play with your golf buddy who's living in any part of the world. And in any weather condition, without spending an hour to get to the golf course, an hour coming back. It's not only a golf simulator setup. Golf simulation is only one aspect of or one use of that simulator room. You can have your personal movie theater. You and your family can enjoy a movie in that simulator room. It doubles up as a home theater. This is probably one of the best way to spend your money. You can set up a bar in that and entertain your clients or your guests. You can set up this in office. I chose BenQ because it has a golf mode. It has 4K capability. The picture is very crisp, so we can use it as a movie theater. See, the number one reason for me to go in for a projector, or number one quality I wanted in a projector was it has to give a real immersive experience. So we have a BenQ projector. It's the LK936ST. This BenQ model had a golf mode, which I did not find in any of the projectors which I researched on, and probably it's not there in any projector in the world. It has a golf mode. So the colors of the grass and the sky are truly realistic. So that enhances your experience. You're actually standing on the golf course. You hit a ball onto the golf course, not into a dull screen. So that was a big factor in choosing the screen. It all depends on the space you have available. You can install this in your garage. You can install this in your living room. Or if you want a dedicated room, you can have that room as an entertainment room. It can be used by the whole family. So all that is possible in the latest golf software. You have to just pair it up with a really good projector like the BenQ 4K and a good quality screen.